Okay, so thank you very much for joining me once again. Welcome back to the channel. It's rather wet. Me and Debbie are on holiday. We're staying on Skye, but we've taken the trip, the 20-minute ferry ride to Raasay. The weather's been absolutely shocking since we arrived. It just rained constantly raining. No point getting up early, no point staying out late for a sunset. It's just been wet. I ain't got my camera out the bag. So we're on Raasay, and it's a lovely island, but it's really remote. There are hardly any people live here. We've seen 2 cars since we arrived, and it's just a case of 2 roads. One goes up to one point on the island, and then you come back the same road, and another one is just round a little village. So we're at more or less the furthest point north, I think, on Raasay. We've just turned around actually to head back, and on the way back I found this lovely little cove here, and looking straight out to Skye over in the distance. I were hoping that I could actually get down to the waterline, but this river that's flowing down this banking side, it's flowing too fast. There's no way I can get across it. But yeah, it's nice. It's just that it's really wet. The weather, the rain, it did stop for 10 minutes earlier, which is why I've actually got out the car. But it's at it again now. I'm going to get back in. Debbie wants to go and see if the distillery has opened, because when we came past it off the ferry earlier on, it was closed. So whether it's actually open or not now, we don't know. But if it is, we're going to go and get a cup of coffee. We're going to sort of warm up a little bit, and then we're going to make our way back over to Skye, because as nice as it is, as picturesque as this is, there's no way I'm going to get my camera out. It's just absolutely silent. It now rain again. So I'm getting back in car, and I'll see you all again soon. This one here keeps looking over its shoulder. Do you want to get out and just show him into the side?
Do what, off?
Look, that's deliberate.